Good afternoon, P1 students. Today is what day today? Today is Thursday, and it's the Thursday. Forget the word Thursday. Thursday. So today is Thursday, and it's the 25th of June, 2020. So our learning objective for today is that I can identify some machines and the force they need in order to work. And remember the push, push away from you and pull closer to you are forces in order for things or you and me to move from one place to another. So here, this will be your homework also for today. So teacher will just discuss and kind of guide you what to do with this. So for your homework, you are going to edit this and you're going to write the force that this machine needs in order for them to work or to get their job done. So here, this is a bulldozer, right? The last video in the previous meetings we have, I showed you a video, a link of a video about a bulldozer, right? So this is a bulldozer, and this one, this is usually is similar to a crane, but smaller because here this one will roll and it will go bring this, looks like a cement or a block or concrete goes up, right? So what do you think? How about this one? It looks like a shovel, different type of shovel. So what do we do with the shovel in order for it to work? So we can dig some soil or dirt. And this one is a lawn mower. This one like used to cut grasses. And this one is like a cart. Um, what do we do with this in order for it to move, right? And this one is a pin or like a thumbstick. We use it to pin with our paper to stick on the wall. And this one is an exercise. You can use it to do some exercise. So what do we do with this in order to make our muscles move, right? And this one is a rake. So this one is used when we clean our backyards to remove all like the dead leaves, and sometimes it is also used if you go to the farm when the farmers will harvest their rice, they will use this one in order to put the grains or the rice, the grains of the rice and dry it. So they use this in order to scatter all the rice that they just harvested. This is a bicycle. So what do we do with a bicycle in order for it to move? And this one is a train. So what force does a train need in order for it to move? All right, so again, this is a very easy assignment. You're just going to write push or pull. So a bulldozer, usually what action do you do in order to move sand, stones? Push or pull? You decide, okay? And this one, what's this action? Is it pulling or pushing? How about this? When we dig the soil, for example, if this is the rake, if this is the shovel, we use it to dig into this. This is example. This is the dirt or the soil. So what do we do with this, like this, to get the soil? And the lawn mower. That's this in order to move. And the cart, we need to. What action is this? Right. How about the pin or yes, this is like a pin. We do like this. If this is the paper, we use it like this. What action is that? And this is for exercising. Exercising. How about the rake? Do like this. So there's two actions for this rake. And the bicycle, we do it with our feet, or we can either do like this or do like that. And the train also. All right, that will be all. Thank you so much and have a nice Tuesday. Goodbye. And I'm gonna give you your star. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Bye-bye.